Samuel Akwa Bakatue TV so mo live video coverage our community garden our Cape Coast hade Bakatue yezi our Ugbemantam hade then yensa akaya brother bi wa hade a obeche yen oboboni zina che na wa chen duma poti oye wo ahade ti yabama wa Akwa Bakatue TV do
Mejo do brother
Poto uzina a chen aza eya wade
we're from Kobina. Me a Chinway. We journey to Kwachabu.
Okay.
Yana ball from Yazin and Anon Bay. Okay. This is an anonymous name. Then, you made no bed. Yayini or passing away. Yana way.
Yeah, that's it. Now, the great a fashion doesn't know or song, a bottom can Zama Kakabi up for Hamayana.
No song queen there, and there easy 60 years anniversary. See, I know I'm a wire song, Kune, Asantin, Unsu, Olba. So there, Bibia, oh, yeah, Nijim, yeah, Bibia, Pepe. There were 60 years, Ninty, Yama, Bibi, wire song, Asna, Pesha years in here. Yama, day wide.
I want Krebia about time you were for.
Oh, when kind there will be ambra. Then be 60 years in Tibiambra. Ne, I didn't Mama. Then you can anyway as it. Tiwamonia, Wambra, Ufi, one if you umbra. One came means it on your day.
You better was a Abraham Pato Dinibio.
Or from Cobna, if you are manful.
Cobna are of fee a manful, no order at 2 years. Zapotia or your Hadina, you may so Ozu. The Costa TV, that's why when you are bringing you live exclusive interviews as we ride along. Yansaka, Papa Penu, so Crow Hade. I don't see any about to show Uncomo. That Akwaba Eba Costa TV.
That's it.
No, Nada, a fashion baby now, what about you, Cape Coast Hade? This time is an oil strong. As a potty in the air walk, a fashion.
Madawase. A fashion away, you know. In that day, or your strong cancers at the magic can. A fashion yada, a hopo, and a chromophile. Wait to can Obama's Obefi now, Beshama or Cordo. Ebi anyame bi nde ya da mun krofo nyina ba wo ma yehu ye ho so o sanzen ka bomba da ma fa hye nyame adoma ekuku dam reba ase ya yehu no bi no ma wotete dam da me kire otumfo o se tutu enye o ma mpanyinu fo a wo ba yehu wanda nyame adoma ye be hu wanda nti dam afahye ye soron kokura na oyi me ni jenso ba
wo message bi az ba ma gwenfo a wo ba bo hwe afahye ya Mampada Makache, Guefa, wash a fishy, and now one hour bande, Yamba Mazanambra, Nemo Mayan Shea, a corner buffalo, Yaspen Yeska, no custom, no Mayan Sheni, or Sunday after a fishy, no, Yamiaduma, Bobo school, so the Yansha Mesa, Yabeji, Mumma Yenu and the hawk. Yeji enwa de bet mama yenwa under ho da ya beda wasina emomu e se obo wudin so emayen enyi baby a ofi
from me Uncle George no Elmina
that's it. Wonderful lady over here. I would like to ask of the name and she's going to tell us the experience. Madam Akwaba Bagwe.
Thank you. My country is no good, so.
Okay, in Tiankan bro,
yes.
Porto Uzin.
Efremi Dori.
Ne Efremi fa.
Mifi Abra site,
in the Abba Hadi or your friend's garden, you are coming to witness the canoe racing. Is this your first time?
Yes, please. It's my first time.
What are the expectations?
Well, I'm expecting to see something I've never seen before. There has been so much hype in town about it, so I decided to come and have a first-hand experience myself.
Is this your first time in Cape Coast?
No, I've been here for a while now.
But it's your first time experiencing this program?
Yes, it's my first time.
Any shout-outs to people watching Coastal TV?
Yes, I want to say hello to all CCTH staff, and then my friends Beatrice, Patience, and everyone that I know around is watching Costa TV.
That's the Costa TV. Is one way you it's a world of endless possibility. Able to make an exclusive interview, exclusive program of everything live over here at Costa TV. No, all this that's the one way you it's a world of endless possibility. Yeah. All right, we have a lot of people doing a whole lot of stuff over here as we witness the Bakatue Afashe and especially the canoe racing. We have business-minded people over here, and today I have with me one beautiful lady who is going to tell us about what she does and what products she has in town and what he had for you this festive occasion. Hello, welcome to Costa TV.
Hey, thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
All right, so what's your name?
My name's Amade.
Amade.
Yes.
So what's the initiative here?
Okay, so a sister friend of mine and her partner, they opened up a space called The Haven, and it's actually downtown, not too far from Cape Coast Castle, right across from Malcolm on top of the MTN office. And it's really a workspace for the diasporans and the local people to come together, where we'll have like different workshops for people that want to learn different type of skills. They also have like a coffee bar and snacks. You know, it's a nice opportunity for everyone to come together and develop themselves.
So why this initiative and why now?
I just feel like it's just a perfect time now. There's never a bad time, really. Whenever you have the idea, you just go for it, and they definitely took the initiative to start it. I feel like a lot of people need it, you know, because we could always grow collectively, and once you have the resources available, everything can mesh a lot easier.
Okay, so as we celebrate our festival as well, what message do you have to the youth out there, people searching for such opportunity?
Oh, come down to the Haven. There's definitely opportunities to connect with different people, have different workshops, and it's a great opportunity for you to develop your skills, meet different like-minded individuals, because we're growing. You know, the internet is growing, the minds and the people are growing, so it's a great opportunity to come together and utilize the resources available.
Talking about opportunities, definitely there should be some level of resources that should be put in play. We're expecting people to pay massively for it. What's the cost attached to it?
Good question. There's different levels of packages. So like for this week, we have a Fashion Week coming up. If you go ahead and zoom in. And this week we have a few classes on the drumming classes. We have some more information about the history behind what's going on. Oh, here you go. You can keep that one.
Okay.
You know, and it's really good. It really is helpful. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So there's different prices, either if you want to do monthly packages, if you just want to come for the day. Students are welcome, entrepreneurs are welcome, business leaders are welcome. If you want to do a 3-month package, we have VIP sections, you know, so it's different variety for everybody that wants to come.
Okay, thank you for having you here with us, and this is Costa TV. Any message for our viewers?
Stay alive, keep shining bright and stay alive.
And keep watching Costa TV.
Yeah.
Yo, yebra penyin so abeka yensa wa ase na ye pese chain dencha wa sha atade we na dumeji ben no ozi wa de nti bra penyin wo bebo odin a kire na waka chain duma odi wa ha se na dencha wa sha sa atade we nso.
Okay, I'm from MTN. Eh, atawe ya she no nana ntare ase da matter here. If it never meet me ana edisi no do o che enyi so.
Into what a memory moon is in Ben as a front one.
Oh, Alazin. Chimufu, I'm not Chimufu. Also, I'm in Potia. I'm in mind it's move on the bed.
Okay, now Afashi, why no strong cook a crapping, my mum for boom kaka, Bobo is in a chain, as in a why my Afashi why a strong called them.
From Obago.
Okay.
Now, Afashi as an armor. First, I finished on Queen Day. Oh, yen a sabre monkey sata. You go in was 25 years. Now, I finished so started 60 years in Tom Wise. Possible. Pay 50, sorry. Pay 50. Baby, Baba came wadi. Tom, I finished on.
Now, Afashi in Midasuben or my webful. There, as a party, Ben, Ashade, Ugafu, able to mean if you are fashion.
Okay, Mama, I wanna wait 2 corners, Wabba. Yeah, occur, as I soon do back. See,
or the Puntu Suba.
Puntu Suba.
Okay, but I'm saying, If you Coastal TV, maybe our pedal will catch your Coastal TV for. Okay.
Well, the man would why and one no ma Jimmy Widen, Wawakan, one of my Jimmy Crabber here.
Yeah, better must say, Namisha Monsuni Jumabudi Ewa. So we are here with our daddies also who have joined us over here, and we are here to find out why they are here, their expectation, and the way forward, looking at where Cape Coast development have gotten to and where they expect the development to get to. So Daddy, I'll start with you. Please, can you tell us your name and where you are coming from?
I'm John Albert Atta.
Okay.
I come from Cape Coast.
Okay. Daddy, could you also tell us where your name and where you are coming from, please?
I'm also Edward Atta. Incidentally, this nice gentleman here gave birth to me 60 years ago.
Wow, that is a blessing.
Yes, and it coincides with this 60th anniversary. That's why I pulled him from the house to come and have at least a feel of how it was 60 years ago when I was a baby.
Yeah, that is a blessing, and I believe you are touched with that. So, Daddy, tell us, you have been in existence for a very long time, and I believe you have witnessed much of this ceremony. What is that unique thing about this ceremony this time around?
Fortunately or otherwise, when I left school and St. Augustine Primary School 1960, I had employment at Tema. I worked there for 20 years on shift. So I hardly had a chance to visit Cape Coast to see the Apache. From there I went to Obuasi for another 20 years.
Wow. So what is one thing about this festival this time around for you?
What is special about it is that I've been retired in the past 20 years, and I've been at Cape Coast, but I haven't had a chance to witness the Apache because I was not mobile. Okay. But my son came a few days ago and he said, this time we will go.
Okay, so
we are here.
Oh, sorry. So let me come to you. What are your expectations this time around?
In fact, the heaviest burden on my heart is lack of employment in Cape Coast. Though I've seen a lot of activities in Cape Coast now, but I wish subsequent years, every gathering like this will be commissioning of a company or something that our youth will depend on. That's my wish.
What do you think is lacking in our culture site when it comes to festival celebration? What is this one unique thing that you think we are lacking?
Elsewhere, Brazil, Barcelona, wherever, is the festivals that even fetches them money. Look at the time we advertised on the TV and radio. We said 12 p.m., isn't it? Yes. First time it's 2 p.m. We are not here. So time consciousness. And every minute that we miss, we cannot make it back. So Cape Coasters should be serious with their time. And we should also make sure that that cultural respect that we had from time immemorial should be translated into our work ethics so that we will progress.
Daddy, what last message do you have for Ghanaians as we celebrate this festival?
My message for Ghanaians is that we are in an election year. In a couple of months' time, we will be electing our new government. My prayer is that we should all have a good level of tolerance for everybody so that we will have peace before, during and after the election.
Okay, thank you very much. This is Coastal TV. Yes, it's a world of endless possibility. You have heard it from our early people. What are you doing out there as you listen to them? And how do you impact what they are advising and your take on it? Thank you very much. Keep on watching Coastal TV. This is Hetonam reporting live for Coastal TV. Thank you. Yo yensa kaya mama ba ko so e wa se mommy wo bebo odi na wa twa baby a wo free.
But from Hannah.
Ana na wo free himfa.
But me fi senya breku.
Senya breku na we be do ha say no.
Ba me wo uses me to uses.
Okay. Enti dencha wo ha say.
But me ba wa she Bakatue ni me she bi da.
Enhwe bi da. Ndanya wo first time.
But
as this one cook potty na epede hu ade ende.
When the was say what the yama no for raise. What the yama no for raise. Mu bi dey si peda mo she.
Enti wo favorite woman.
But there have been actually me who makes my way in it.
When you're into yes, Otumfo or say to so eba.
But I am at Thursday. It's a super better motion.
Okay. Now, as some men are catching food in here.
Oh, as some permacation, where I have the buy, I mean, sure, we're going to organize the Sardina. I am. But most of this year, Miss Ma, you know, you're now for a canal. This year's all year. So,
now, I did Costa TV. Our assembly a pedagogy catcher and go for Costa TV.
Costa TV, but I'm a catcher itself with the free now. There's a Costa TV, only #1 station of Cape Coast.
Okay, yeah, that's it. So the festival also comes with a lot of unity, bringing families together, joining bonds, and bringing that unity in Ghana and in Cape Coast. So we have some beautiful family over here. I'm going to ask them their names and ask them some few questions and explore what they have. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
Gladys.
Gladys. Do you know where you find yourself right now?
Yeah.
What's the name of this place?
Cape Coast.
Cape Coast. And you have come for a festival. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Do you know the name of the festival?
Yes.
What's the name?
Bakatue Festival.
Give me 5. Yeah. Okay. And I have sweet mommy also here to tell us the name. Mommy, what's your name?
My name is Benedicta.
Okay, you are looking good. I like the shades and the looks. So tell us, is this your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time here.
Your first time. What are the expectations?
Okay, I've heard about it, so I expect a lot. I learned there is a race, competition, music and stuff, so I'm looking forward for something interesting to brighten the day.
Okay, so far so good?
So far so good.
Okay, I have my gentleman over here, the man of the house. Tell me your name.
Please, my name is Enoch.
Your name is?
Enoch Kushijamna.
Which class are you?
Grade 5.
Grade 5. What's your favorite subject?
English.
Have you heard of festivals before?
Yes, please.
So if you say festivals, what comes into mind?
Festivals are special occasions that talk about the past.
Really?
Yes.
Give me 5. You have done well. Okay. So they are telling us that festivals tells us about the fact, the past, right? Oh, I just got to know. I don't even know. So tell me, have you heard of the Cape Coast Festival before?
Yes, please.
What are some of the things that you look out for when it comes to festivals?
The traditional dances, the races, yes.
Wow, that's nice. So you are here to experience the time. You like the people you are seeing here?
Yes, please.
Are you happy here?
Yes.
Okay, so if you should wish to ride on the boat, would you want to do so?
Yes, please.
Okay, we would like to see you. And have you seen the fancy dress? I'll come to you. Have you heard of the fancy dress?
Yes.
How do they look like?
They look like there'll be colors inside the dress.
And they danced?
Yes.
Do you know how to dance?
Yes.
Let's try some dance. Okay. Okay. So we are going to try some dances. Okay. We are just going to shake our waist. Can you do that for us? Okay, let's go. Shake your body. Shake your body. And that's Costa TV for you, enjoying the family trail as we have the family over here. Say Costa TV, Yawazoye.
Costa TV, Yawazoye.
Yeah. Thank you very much. And this is Costa TV. Champion Yamawa kwa baba Costa TV.
Yeah, you do very good.
Bapenyu mabo eduma dempa competition na no dempa e dey na moye party amuri ni but before then wudin
before no e kwani e dey yampa ifuna wudi yimini e want to say bi wide wine fine it say no amba it won I dey wutu go support me e kwade ni my friend ifuna ya wine wamba
Tina she say na che don ko kodo anka obowi ni nkoma wa bro.
Ko ya it is any kwada. Je program no bi tin anka say na do je bu ni mo wanda na tin po atenam.
Okay.
Wona yan won kwa ni bi ni mo kwa bi da. Yeah, bi ni mo won fa da mo sunu da. Nti won wodo. Nti na bi po na tabuna ke to finish ma iron. O to so ma na yedin say kwanwa. Ba kan mo sunu mi anu. Yeah, before no. Say bi wa yan bi da. But I will cinema na I penity. Baba Chem, but on your ability. When you mawa, you for soon walk on what to call.
Wabo was in the Niki Zibena walk I can
in the Equafare, my baby, nobody, papa. But send Equafare program in your wide area. It was said, our Yanipo. I have a beer to my hand, my Bishop Maya, no to me yet. In your say, I am in jail. I feel proper channel, I feel quite careful. Near to me at Zagua, I said, I'm well. Kept us to call me a man. That's who I'm paying for him. My good after the one.
Won't call this incident.
You're calling in the Cape Post.
One incident.
Cape Post, Cape.
You call it 1 hour while you're racing or from it.
Bakatue. I am Bakatue, Cape. No Bakatue, Cape Post.
That's it.
No. Yeah, was so paying our so far and Nafosu. I need Nafosu. I need.
Okay. If you go man to me, it's in Ben as a moment.
If you go matem, it's to Madame Molina. She say, if you had a Bakatue, Nafosu. It's a master of myself, I just say that. If you are saying, yeah, but turn off in my affair. May I know? I just saw a program in your and it tell me I program out of a Sabine Angasa. Tibia will tell Mamma one Marco.
Okay, yeah, better I say.
Master Madonna say,
congratulations.
Yo, I'm not from Bali. Cape Post, Shebra.
Okay.
One blow, I
the Costa TV has something I want to catch one.
Bakatue Costa TV pay for you, don't want to say. They were to Mama, Obama, your program, why so cool? Why different? See about the way I say. I feel to say so, I'm going to come on. I'm going to tell you about and see one was a swim of him. No more share my program, and I have some cushion. That's it.
That's the Costa TV. That's the one way you my wow, is a world of endless possibility.